One of our Opal Golden Nuggets is about the power of the 5 Ps. And when we talk about those 5 Ps, we're talking about using particular words when we are creating goals to increase the likelihood of us achieving them and so that they have real impact for us. When we talk about the 5 Ps, we're talking about, is your goal personal? Are you using I instead of to? So for example, a goal might be for me to spend more time with my children, but actually let's make that personal. I spend quality time with my children, and I've made that positive. I'm talking about what I want, not what I don't want. My goal isn't I don't want to work so much. My goal is I spend quality time with my children. It's positive and it's personal. And it's in the present. I'm not talking about I want to spend quality time with my children. That 3rd P is about in the present. I'm feeling what it will be like to do that now. And it's possible. That's the 4th P. Spending quality time with my children feels like something I can achieve. Whereas if I'd said something like I spend 4 hours a day doing X, Y, Z with my children, that might not be achievable for me. And for me, the most important is the 5th P, which is about, is it purposeful? What is that goal going to give me when I reach it? So I can add that purpose to my goal. So for example, I spend quality time with my children to build connection. And by focusing on what is the purpose of my goal, that's going to give me the driver to move towards that. And I can also use that for affirmations. If I want to focus in the morning on creating an affirmation, I could say to myself, I spend quality time with my children, but I could change that to I prioritize quality time with my children to build connection. And if I'm telling myself that every day, I prioritize quality time with my children to build connection, I'm much more likely to achieve that and to maybe say no to some other things because that is my priority. I hope that you'll be able to think about how those 5 Ps, how personal, positive, present, possible and purposeful can bring power to your goals and affirmations.